Music. Is music just a bunch of sounds and lyrics, or is more than that? And does define who I am? The roots of music come from the old French musique, and directly from Latin, musica, the art of music, and from Greek, music. People like music because of the rhythm, but few do really pay attention to the lyrics. For me, music is more than just lyrics. It's a drug. It can change my mood instantly and it can send messages. But it doesn't define the personality of someone. At least, not mine. The dictionary defines music as an art of arranging sounds in time so as to produce a continuous, unified, and evocative composition as through melody, harmony, rhythm, and timbre. Although people have their own definition of music too. For example, they feel that music is their oxygen. I believe this means that I cannot go a day without listening to music. Others think that music is a noise that is pleasant to the ears. As I can see, this person thinks on using the word noise to define music, so I believe this person doesn't like to listen to music very often. The point is that no one will think the same way about music. Some might think that music is their oxygen, and others think that it's just a pleasant noise. Music has different meanings to me. One of them is that music is a drug. I say this because I don't know if it happens to everyone or it's just me, but when I listen to either a really good song or a different genre of music such as trance, rock, Latin, pop, etc., I need to hear it more and more until I'm like, help me. By this, I'm not saying I got tired of it, I just mean that I need a different type of drug, listen to a different type of music. Also, I say it's a drug because it helps me to escape from my world. When I'm not feeling well because of school, family, or just love problems, I just put my trance music on and I'm transmitting to a different world. Trance is an electronic type of music. It's like if I were traveling to somewhere, trying to run away from my problems, and it makes me to forget them. That's one way that music affects my life. Second, music helps me to control my anger. Some people listen to classical music in order to calm themselves, but to me it's different. It might sound weird, but in order to calm myself when I'm mad at someone or something, I have to listen to rock screamo. Screamo is a genre of aggressive, lo-fi guitar driving music with predominantly screaming vocals. It helps me to calm down because every time the vocalist is screaming, it's like I'm screaming too. It makes all my anger to go away. Something that I really like about music is that it can send messages. Like artists can sing about the poverty, a story about others, racism, love, hate, etc. They can sing about a lot of stuff and transmit a message to the people, and sometimes they even change their way of thinking. For example, a long time ago, I hear a song from a singer called Ricardo Arjona, who sang a story about a person who immigrated to the United States and his struggles on his journey. It made me realize how lucky I was because I didn't have to live a hard situation like this person did. Something that I disagree on is that people can say that music describes someone's personality, but I don't think music defines the identity of a person. For example, like I say, rock screamo makes me to calm down, but some might think that the type of people who listen to that type of music smoke, do drugs, and drinks. In my case, I don't do any of those things. Also, I might hear sometimes rap, and that doesn't mean that I'm in gangs or dress up like a chola, a female who's in gangs. I just listen to different type of music because I'm one of the few people who really pay attention to the lyrics, and if I like the song, then I don't care what type of genre it is. Music is not only lyrics and sounds like the dictionary defines as, or the people may think. Music is more than that. It's about emotions, feelings, and messages. Music doesn't define the personality of someone, but it definitely can say how someone can feel in that moment. To me, music can speak louder than words.